The letter V. V stands for vulture. The vulture visited the vocabulary volcano. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase v. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up and to the right, going along the dotted line before going straight down. When you reach the baseline, go up at an angle from the baseline to the dotted line. This makes a pointy V shape on the baseline. Swoop back out to the right just below the dotted line, ending with a grin. Write the letter V in the air. Let's practice. Now let's make an uppercase V. Put your pencil just below the top line and curve up right to the top line. Go along the top line and curve down to the right. Go up again at a sharp angle from the baseline to the top line, making a pointy V shape on the baseline. Then curve up and along the top line and down a little bit. Write the letter V in the air. Now, let's practice. The uppercase V stands alone. It doesn't connect with other letters. Connect the lowercase v with its grin. Let's write the word velociraptor. A velociraptor is a type of dinosaur. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills.